What are we doing? Hey guys, Dan, it's Alive. We're gonna do a little fermented powders. It's a lot cooler than it sounds. We're gonna take a few fermented products, some kimchi, some sauerkraut, some misos. We're gonna dehydrate them, turn them into powder, and we're gonna make like a sprinkly togarashi kind of popcorn. We're gonna put it on popcorn, but you could put this stuff on anything. So yeah. Go. First off, you need a dehydrator. So just take a walk with me real quick. We got this one real nice, real upgrade from the old one we had. So we got this nice, it's all right, this dehydrator. Really need a new one. I want a nice one where I can get temperature calibration. This one is like set it and forget it. Nice, easy racks, double fan. Look at that, bud, huh? Boy, we've come a long way. Almost want like two of them. I want like a whole freaking room of them, you know? We'll get that going. I set it to 135. It's not like a, 4 hours, it's done kind of thing. You keep an eye on it. You want to just get all that moisture out. You want it to be as dry as possible so that when we put it into a Vitamix or a blender, we can get it into a real nice fine powder. Ooh, we're not going to do it right now, but it'd be kind of cool to dehydrate honey. Can you? All right, so first off, let's do... Oh, you got a phone call from Maddie Matherson. This can't be good. Oh, it's my phone. Oh, he's FaceTiming. Hey, Maddie, what's up, bud? Hey, just wanted to give you a heads up. We are shooting, so just say hi.
Oh, hello.
Hey, Maddie.
I'm in the building. I'm on the 38th floor. Okay.
Are you in the building?
Come down to the... Yeah.
Oh, Maddie, come to the kitchen, bud. Oh, what a nice little surprise. So we'll start with the miso. We're just rolling into this.
Yeah.
We'll start with the miso. We're just gonna spread them out as thin as possible, get a nice little thin layer. The thinner, the thicker it is, the longer it's gonna take to dehydrate. Yeah, buddy. Look at that shirt, huh? How you doing, bro? Get here. Good to see you, man.
You making miso, fake miso?
No, yeah, so this is a little chickpea miso, and we're just gonna...
Dehydrate.
Dehydrate, turn it into a powder. Make like a little togarashi seasoning, a little...
A togarashi miso seasoning?
Yeah, like a miso, sauerkraut, kimchi, salt. We're gonna put it on popcorn. And then we're gonna package it and sell it for $1 million.
Yeah. Get a hold of him! Get a hold of him! Get a hold of him!
I got him! He's my baby! He's
You
my
got
baby!
him!
These are the best days
How's everything? Boom and boom.
My toes are sensitive. I've always been sensitive about my toes.
I'm gonna suck that spider note out of the hole.
Stay in there. Stay in there.
Oh man, fuck that.
He's trying to get in it, eh?
Hey, thanks for saying hi, bud.
Yeah, I just want to say hi.
We'll see you Thursday, huh, man?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, man. And dude, we definitely gotta figure something out as far as like, yeah. Later, Maddie. All right, now I got a little bit different miso, a red miso. It's a little chunkier and everything. I love that. We're just gonna do a little side by side. How good's that look, right? Then you just wanna bite it. It's like freaking chocolate. Now, sauerkraut, this is one of my favorites dried up. It kind of just concentrates what I love about sauerkraut so much. Funky, tangy, cabbagey, salty flavor. So I'm just gonna get some of this in a bowl, squeeze out as much of the liquid as possible. That's just gonna help with the timing of the dehydration. To get all that liquid out would have took hours in the dehydrator. If it's not completely dry, it's gonna get a little gummy and when we go try to turn it into powder. Yeah, man, we'll catch you later, Manny. What a guy. Oh, if we did like a full-time show together. Is that thing recording?
Yes.
All right, in the comments, we gotta make this happen. I wanna make a full-time show. Just me and Maddie going, we'll go to, like Maddie shows me Canada, Brad shows him the or whatever. And we go, we'll figure out the creative. Me and Maddie going places, having fun. Oh, I wanna do that full-time.
Going places?
Yeah, let's just hire Maddie to come with us. In the meantime, go check out Maddie's new YouTube page, all right? Guy's funny, Canadian legend. Not just talented and funny, but a sweetheart of a man. Aww. Back to the sauerkraut. So yeah, we'll just spread that out nice and thin. And again, The more even, the better. The more consistent the drying will be. I gotta stop giving away these ideas. But take this, turn it into a powder, mix it into, I gotta talk to Elias, mix it into a sausage. So you have like sauerkraut flavor and umami and punch inside of a sausage. And then next we'll do the kimchi, which is a cool one too, because it's like you're just removing the liquid and you're keeping that like fun, spicy, big umami, fermented-y kind of flavor with it. Save the juices. As we know, these are a good way to start new fermentation projects. A little backslop kind of thing, I think they call it. There's already so many live cultures and bacteria in it. It's just going to help jumpstart another project. So save your liquids. Save your liquids. Call your mother. Makes you toiki poiki. Remember that commercial? It was like a pickle company. It had the stork on it.
Oh, Lassett?
Yeah. I remember the commercial. It was like, make you toiki poiki. And they kept going. That's the only one I remember. You don't remember that commercial?
No.
Makes you toiki poiki. Throat's fucked. All right, Hunzy, to the dehydrator, bud. Oh, yeah, bud. Look at that. Right in there. Boom. I got to set the timer. Ignore. That's just to keep it running. See you tomorrow, Hunzy. I think we're going to try to sneak this little... We're going to wrap this up. I think old Claire, old half-sour herself is shooting tomorrow. Maybe we'll try to zip her in a little content during her lunch break or something, huh? What is Claire working on? Oh, the fresh maker. Mentos and Coke. Someone should tell her. I don't think that's a good idea. Gabriella, you're a little cold, huh? You might want to see a doctor. Oh. All right, so we're back in the test kitchen. Powders are looking good. I checked them out this morning. Looking real nice, real dry. Let me go grab them out of the dehydrator. I'll bring them back to the old board here. Beautiful. Looks like some kind of art. Put a little clear coat over it, hang it on the wall, sell for $12,000, $150,000. Right? That one, I'd hang that in my wall. It's a little gross, a little fecal, but people get into weird shit. No pun intended. Okay, for our next trick, let's just check them out real quick. Look at that, huh? I kind of like it just like that. It's pretty. Real simple from here. We're just going to throw them in the Vitamix, turn them into powder. If you don't have a Vitamix, any good blender will work. Or use a mortar and pestle for half an hour. Figure it out. Let's do the sauerkraut first. Let's hope this works, huh, bud? Don't go breathing that stuff in. You get cabbage growing out of your lungs. That's real. Whew. Oh. Oh my God, it smells so good. All right, so that's sauerkraut powder. Look at that, huh? Freaking cool is that? I have so many great ideas with that I shouldn't share anymore. All right, we're not even gonna rinse this. No big deal. I'm gonna put the kimchi in next. Let's hope this works. You ready for turbo? Remember Tybo? Ready? Double time. Tybo. Now cool it off. Slow step. Whoa, look at that color. Looks like I've been eating Doritos. Oh, you smell that? This is the coolest thing we've ever done. Look at that. Oh, my God. It is so good. Just thank whoever makes this. You're welcome. Look at the color on that, huh, bud? Looks like turmeric. Turmeric. How are you supposed to say it? Turmeric. We get it, Brad. It's freaking orange. Oh, come on. Don't be shy. That tastes so good. Tangy and salty and funky and in like cheesy in a weird way. That's going to be so good on popcorn. And we're on to something. Oh, I got to wipe this one out. Ooh. Rob Peter, pay Paul, no big deal. Right, look at that. Little Ed Gein. Huh? How many Ed Gein jokes have I references have I made? Probably like 15. I don't know why. Dude was a piece of shit. is now time. You ready for Taibo in it? Taibo double time. Kevin, Taibo. Oh, everyone's having fun now. Molly, want to taste something awesome? Taste the kimchi powder, please. It's fucking rock and roll.
Can you put it on popcorn or something?
We're going to. Hello. Yeah. Oh, a little dabble, do ya?
Oh.
But feel free.
Too much?
No, it's just intense.
It looks like nacho Doritos.
It kind of even tastes a little
Oh my
cheesy.
god.
Isn't that good?
It's so good.
So good.
What is this remind me of?
Fuck. It goes into weird places, right? It's not just kimchi anymore.
Sauerkraut.
Little cheesy.
nutritional yeast.
Little
Together.
little cheesy, right?
Cheesy.
This tastes like a weird white cheddar almost. This one might be cool to run through like a little, not a super fine, but like a little strainer, just to break up the crumbs. Maybe we'll do that. So I know it usually seems like I'm on speed. I'm not. Even if more so today, it's because we have a time crunch. They're rushing us, Matthew. This will just help it get nice and even granulars. I always like that word, granulars. Is that how you say that? Granulars? Please confirm or deny. No, really, granulars? There's a couple dry, like little nuggets. We'll keep those. We'll save those. I don't know for what yet, but who cares? It's just dehydrated miso. So you take that, throw it in a little chicken broth, boom, who cares? It's fantastic. It tastes like white cheddar, like the what was that one with the black bag? Like smart corn. All right, now we got the that red miso, huh? Look at that, bud. That still had all the nice beans in it. It don't matter. We're gonna turn it into powder. Ooh, this one's like chips. This one should not be a problem. Ooh, chocolatey funky. All right, let's turn this into powder. Ready, set, double time, baby. Remember Taibo, Chris? Yeah. Hey, you want to try a couple powders, bud?
Ooh, you smell.
Right? This is going on, Chris. Just taste it. Zingo bingo.
Kimchi.
Kimchi, yeah.
This is like
Cheddar.
crazy. Yeah, like parm substitute.
Like popcorn.
Yeah.
That's what we're making, a popcorn topping. How good is that going to be?
This-
We're going to have to cancel the episode and just make a product and sell it.
This
Dynamite.
is special.
Special. Did you try the kraut?
Not yet.
Get in there. We got to shoot this before they finish their lunch.
The way that smells literally like sets my senses like on fire.
Yeah, we got him. We haven't gotten this good of a response out of Chris since mustard.
Since mustard. No, this is like this might have just bumped mustard to number 2.
Ching!
Mustard was number 2. This is number 1.
Don't ever make this. It's
These two
terrible.
characters are going
Cut the
Top Gun.
video.
What? Huh?
No.
Okay, cool. Yeah. All right.
We'll
Great.
talk after.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, you get the shot. I'll get the shot. Powder. Shots of powders. It makes me feel like I'm a chemist. Like we're making something, you know? An alchemist. Is that what they call it when you mix things together? And they like make something. An alchemist, huh?
To live forever.
Yeah? Come on. Get the shot. All right, so we got our powders all set, all powdered. And yeah, I think this would be great on popcorn. You know, I was going to get some real nice heirloom, upstate New York kernels and do them on the stovetop, but we ain't got time for that. So we're getting, we're going to make the bag popcorn in the microwave. It's fine. It's fine. We've all done it. Let's try to figure this contraption out, for God's sakes. I guess we'll hit popcorn. I have a microwave at home. I will hit start. Popcorn, all right, great. So when's it done? Guess we'll just wait. In the meantime, let me go melt the butter in the other microwave. Delaney. Delaney, you want to try some powders, bud?
Try some powders.
Yeah.
My mom said stay away from
Non-psychoactive, easy, clean, bud. Just right on the tongue. What We made some fermented. You want to try some powders? Jesus, this wasn't a riddle.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Why does the word powder freak everyone out? Popcorn's popping, I hear it. Oh, it smells like it's burning. Yeah. 6 seconds left, 5. I don't know, it's smelling a little toasty. I don't like when it's burnt. You don't want to burnt popcorn. I'd rather sacrifice a few kernels. A little meow, right?
Wow, big meow.
Big meow. Wait for that one, it's gonna punch you right in the face. Wait for that one, it's gonna punch you right in the face. That's the stuff. Put it on anything. Put it on a hot dog. So we got a little salt, popcorn salt. We're gonna use butter as the fat, duh. All right. So I really like the kimchi powder. All right, let's dab that in there.
Okay.
All right, a little bit of the white miso.
Yep.
A little cheesy.
Yeah, like almost like Parmesan-y.
Right.
You know what I want?
A little
Yeah,
pinch
it's
of
like-
that.
Yeah.
Some of the kraut. Another dab of kimchi.
Yeah.
And a little bit more of this.
Yeah.
That seems right. So just do that. Whoa. And we'll hit it with the,
Oh yeah, from up high.
Woo. You want any more of anything else? No, it's kind of good.
Kind of perfect.
It's kind of perfect. We nailed it. Woo! Should I put it in a nice bowl? Too busy, bud? Popcorn bowl?
I kind of like that.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna get him here. Let me plate this stuff, huh? All right, let's go find Claire. Oh, Claire ain't here. Audible. Hey, you want to try some popcorn?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, bud. Get a pinch. Get 2. What do you think?
That's delicious.
Thanks, bud. Hey, popcorn, huh?
Oh, definitely.
He ate 1 kernel.
Ooh, I like that spice.
He went 2 that time. He's getting daring. He tiptoed. Now he's going for the cannonball. Okay, it's greasy. Watch the shirt.
Oh, it's all right.
Sorry, bud. It's good though. You like?
I like it. Yes, I do like it.
Hey guys, put away any sensitive material. I have a camera with me.
Ooh.
Popcorn. Get some.
See that popcorn pops in 2 different shapes?
Really?
Yeah. There's like the round one.
Oh, and then the parent.
I mostly taste the sauerkraut.
Yeah.
So good.
It's pretty sour, right?
Yeah, that's what I like about it.
You're saying like some spice? That's what you want?
Yeah, like heat.
Look, cayenne.
Yeah.
I was gonna put cayenne in it. I had some out.
Yeah.
But I was like, let's just keep it true. It does need a little pinch of cayenne.
Delicious.
I didn't want to develop.
It has that like movie theater butter. Do you have different popcorn?
No. We don't have any time. You guys gotta start shooting again.
Yeah. Our lunch break's almost over.
Yeah, take 10 minutes.
So you're blurring this out, right? Okay, cool.
Yeah, get in there. Try some, Hunzy. Oh, yeah. Grease up that camera. All right, so that's fermented powders with popcorn. Super easy, delicious, awesome on popcorn, but I think you could do it. You can put it on almost anything. I think, I don't want to give away all my $1 million ideas, but this stuff in a whole bunch of different applications, I think it's just a really fun way to get different fermented flavors on the foods without, like I could probably sprinkle this on something and get my kid to eat it, Have fun. Let me know some cool things you do with the powders if you try it. It's awesome. Have fun. Bon appetit. Clean it up. We got another video to shoot before Claire finishes the salad. 7 minutes then.
7 minutes.
Doesn't it like blow up? So she's gonna do that? You do it. I'm not doing it. I mean, what is it? Just sugar and shit? Set it and forget it. Remember those that was like a cooking commercial show? And then I remember there was like an audience, and every time they would do it, that set it and forget it thing? They'd be like, and then you said it, and then the crowd, everyone would be like, you said it and forget it.